Hello, friends! Boomer over there thinks you'll get a kick out of what's in store for you today. Time to get the ball rolling. So let's get started. The first move we'll do is ball taps. You're going to pretend that you're going to have a ball in front of you and you're going to tap your toes on the top of the ball. And you can either do this in a walking form, or if you want to kick it up a notch, you can do it running. Great job! The next move we'll do today is lunges. You're gonna step 1 foot forward and bend your back knee, trying to keep your chest up the whole time. Get your knee as low to the ground as you can and then stand back up together. Then you'll switch legs. Great job! Our next move is going to be a goalie practice. So we're going to step to the side, reaching as high as we can. Then we'll bring our feet back together and reach to the opposite side, going as low as we can. Halfway through, we'll switch it up, and we'll go high to the other side, and then opposite side will go back low. Our next move is going to be side-to-side crunches. So you'll lay on your back and you'll pull your shoulders up off the floor, and you're going to touch each heel going back and forth side to side. If you need to modify, you can put your hands on your legs and just walk your fingers up to the top of your knees and back down. Remember, keep your shoulders up off the ground. Great job, you nailed it. Our next move is going to be a horizontal leg kick. So you're gonna stand and you're gonna bring each leg up high in front of you, as high as you can. If you need to modify, you can bend your knee and just bring your knee as high as you can to your chest. You did a fantastic job. That's a wrap. You've probably worked up quite an appetite by now. Pair your new moves with a banana or some frozen yogurt berry bites from Shape Your Future.